Hello everyone, I'm so happy to share this with you today. If you have seen my previous video, I'll have the link at the end of this video showing you this machine, the Empress Elite by Anna Griffin. It's a die cutting machine. When I did the unboxing, I got a little frustrated at the end because I was trying it out and see how it worked. Of course, it was my first time. I had just opened the box. And at the end, I tried to pass a Spellbinders 3D embossing folder. This one, which is my favorite of all times, that does this. Let me show you the results. How gorgeous. It's hard to see because it's white. But look how beautiful this is. We're going to do this in another color, okay? But I was a bit frustrated, but some of you encouraged me and asked me, Paula, come on, try, different ways, different combinations, different sandwiches. And I did. And guess what? I figured it out. I'm so happy because now this is complete. I am very, very happy with this machine. I've been using it every day since then, and it's amazing. But I did want to use my Spellbinders 3D folders, embossing folders. And the reason why I couldn't get it to work is because these 3D folders are much thicker. Look at this. It's like more than double the thickness of a regular one. This is a regular, this one is Park Lane. So this is a regular folding, embossing folder, much thinner than these ones by Spellbinders, but these are called 3D embossing folders. So here is what we're going to do, and I'm going to show you because in case you have the same and you encountered the same problem. So basically, the way that you do with the 3D embossing folder is the machine comes with the magnetic mat and 2 plates. And for embossing folders, it says to use just the 2 plates. And that's what you would use with the regular embossing folders like this one that I have here, okay? So much thinner than the 3Ds. So how do you do it with the 3D by Spellbinders? Very easy. Just don't use the second plate. Instead of the second plate, you use the magnetic mat. So first the plate, then the magnetic mat, and then the folder. So I have the folder here with paper. I'm going to mist it just a little bit because outside the camera here, just a little. It says it's good just to help the paper. So we're going to run it, and that's it. The embossing folder is on top. So that's it. So we're just going to run through the machine without the second plate. That's the only modification that I needed to make. And I got it, and it worked. Let's look at the results. See? Perfect. Do you see it? It's so hard to see with this light. Let me go closer here. So it's perfect. Look at that. It works, and I am very happy with it. And let me just show you, since I'm here, how to work with the regular one. So I hope you see, guys. It's so hard to see with this light here, so that's as close as it gets. So I'm going to do with the regular one the way that it's supposed to be. So I'm going to put some paper here. I haven't tried this one, so we're doing this together. I'm going to try this together. So the way it says is 2 plates, this in the middle, and run it through. So let's see. It should work perfectly. There you go. Guys, this machine is amazing. I am so happy with it. Perfect. Look at that. Oh, with white, it's even harder, huh? So let me see if the light here will help. Maybe if I move it a little bit like that. See? It worked like a charm. So it does work really well with embossing folders, the regular ones, with the 2 plates. And if not, if it's the 3D by Spellbinders, then use the mat, okay? Plate, mat, and the embossing folder. So that's it for today. Just a very quick video to help everyone who had the same problem as me. Thank you so much, and thank you for your encouragement. And please do subscribe. I'm trying to reach 50,000. It's a long road, and I really want to do that because it will help my channel. Okay, have a great day.